got a very nice size tomato in my garden, and also fresh jalapenos as well. So, and I'm going to make a nice sandwich: tomato, mayonnaise, some salt and pepper, my favorite herbs mixture. And my husband actually recommended me to make this sandwich, and I never had it before, so I thought, well, would that be tasty? He said try that, so I made it yesterday, but I used toast, so it was quite tasty. So, and he said, well, if you try to use regular bread without toasted, might even be much better. So I'm trying this, and I'm going to slice this and make some tasty, fresh tomato and jalapeno right from your backyard garden. It's really nice. Okay, let's give a slice, and I'm going to make it. And this tomato is also very, very meaty. Ooh, look at that, look, right? I guess no wonder they call it the beef steak. It's really like steak, right? All right, we're making a tomato steak sandwich here. I'm going to make 4. I have 2, my husband have 2, and so it's going to be 4 thick slices of tomato steak. Okay, and I'm going to cut this jalapeno and remove the seed. And both of us can enjoy some really hot pepper. And I know not everybody likes this hot jalapeno, eat them right like this, but I notice a lot of them do. Tastes good. So I have 2 here, 2 pieces, and 1 piece for me. I guess I'm going to have 2 slices too. Remove the seeds. Well, nothing's like the taste of tomato, so fresh from your own garden. Alright, I'm going to make the sandwich now. And I can even feel a little bit of the fume from the jalapeno. Okay. Mayonnaise. Well, for people who is vegan, eater, you can use mayonnaise that completely made from plant-based ingredients. And my husband and I, we use this real mayonnaise, which contains some real eggs here. Yolk egg is good for your eyes, so we're using this. But as I said, you can definitely use vegan style mayonnaise, and I'm sure the taste would be just as nice. So right now I'm only going to make 2, then I finish the rest as it goes. And so this video will be really short, and try this. I have never seen a video actually making a sandwich like this. So try that, it's going to be very tasty. And this herb mixture, I also have some good stuff, which is called the nutritional yeast. Has all the vitamins, minerals that's there to make sure that people who are vegetarians and who only eat vegan food have enough of nutrition, in their diet. So it's a very nice, naturally made flavor, but it's called the nutritional yeast. Really good. It also gives you a nice flavor as well. Not only add the necessary minerals, vitamins, and also take the flavor up as well. I have some dried chive in this year, because of COVID, and there's certain plants short in my garden, but I have some dried chive. Chive is very good and contains certain minerals and vitamins to help us maintain a good immune system. Look at this. I'm going to load this right on top and put this one there. Here it is, a nice sandwich. And so I'm going to give a bite. And yesterday, the one that with toast, it was amazingly tasty. I was really surprised. That's why I'm really happy to make it again. But today we try this not toasted bread. I'm going to give a bite. So my husband Ronald is right. Really tasty, very fresh. You see? Beautiful layered sandwich. Try it. It's healthy and tasty. If you can take some heat from hot pepper, enjoy it. Wow, it's hot, but really good though. Happy summer!